Bringing NBS practitioners and experts from all over Africa. So we have 12 different countries here, and these are experts who are working with concrete NBS projects, working on freshwater, working on forests, working on various ecosystems to address key societal challenges to NBS.
This is Jackson Kiplagat, and I'm head of conservation programs at WWF Kenya. I think nature-based solutions provide us with the best of opportunity from nature to be able to respond to societal challenges coming from the climate change challenge. As you know, the globe is facing the three planetary challenges, which are biodiversity loss, climate change, and pollution. And nature-based solutions have been touted as one of the best options to be able to respond to this. For example, in this country, we have lost significantly as an economy to climate change.
And then